The 1970 Ford Mustang Boss 470 is one of those cars that instantly pulls you back to the golden age of muscle, but reimagined with something even bigger, bolder, and more extreme. At first glance, the exterior tells you this is no ordinary Mustang. The front end wears a deep chin spoiler and a blackout grille that sits menacingly between quad headlights. The hood is dominated by a massive shaker scoop that rises proudly with the engine, reminding everyone this car was built for performance first and style second. Body lines run long and aggressive across the sides, with just enough sculpting to make it look fast even when it's standing still. The stance is lower and wider than the standard Mustang of the era, giving the Boss 470 a planted, muscular presence that feels ready to pounce. Along the sides, the details keep drawing your eye. Bold striping runs along the doors, proudly displaying the Boss 470 designation. Chrome door handles and trim break up the dark paint tones, while the rear haunches flare slightly to cover wide tires mounted on classic Magnum 500 wheels. It's not flashy in a showy way, it's purposeful, almost as if every piece of design had to serve the engine lurking underneath. Around the back, the look is clean yet strong: recessed taillights, a blacked-out rear panel, dual exhaust tips, and a small deck-lid spoiler to finish off the silhouette. Every angle seems to tell you this car was engineered to intimidate. Step inside and the story continues. The interior of the Boss 470 isn't overloaded with luxury. It's focused and driver-oriented. Black vinyl seats hold you firmly in place, while the dash is simple but functional, lined with round gauges giving you all the vital information at a glance. A Hurst shifter stands proudly on the console, connecting driver to machine in a way modern cars often forget. The steering wheel is thick and purposeful, the pedals firm, and every touch point feels mechanical, reminding you that this car demands attention. It's raw, it's simple, but it's all you need when driving a legend. Under that enormous hood lies the reason the Boss 470 became such a mythic name. A monstrous 470 cubic inch V8, hand-fitted to dominate both road and track. Official numbers were always conservative, but the reality was well over 500 horsepower and torque to match. The throttle responds instantly, the sound from the exhaust is deep and thunderous, and acceleration pins you back in the seat with ferocity. Handling is heavy yet predictable, a car that rewards skill and punishes hesitation. It wasn't built for comfort, it was built for dominance, and it delivered. The 1970 Ford Mustang Boss 470 remains unforgettable because it combined beautiful aggression with untamed power. It wasn't just a car, it was a statement, and even today it captures the imagination of anyone who loves true muscle.